I've always been fascinated by the harp. It was rather like a swan, that her hands were serenely gliding over the strings. I met Catherine Finch in London when she approached me with the idea that we might work together on some kind of a project. Finally, we had the opportunity this year to come together on an album that I've always wanted to make. I'm a huge admirer of her artistry and of what she brings to her instrument. And we had the chance to make an album together, thanks to Mark Wilkinson at Deutsche Grammophon, who said, well, the two of you have got something that we like here, and we would like you to work together. And collaboration was just never easier.